Oh, what up? What up, bro? So I was talking to some vegetarian or vegan yesterday, and this is some shite they say. I told that bro I like my meats. Yeah, it's my meat, you know? That's why they call them livestock. He said that's disrespectful to call them livestock or say that's my meat like I own them. And then he said I pay hitmen. I don't pay no hitman, man. Give me a gun, I'll do it myself, bro. I'm tough like that. Yeah, man is superior to them other species. Man is the best. That's why we get to do whatever we want. We have dominion. And they don't even have souls, bro. And we have dominion over the wildlife. So we can do what we want to those animals. They stupid, bro. Anyways, Arby's, we have the meats. Yeah, we have the meats, Arby's. We're all tough, man. Meat makes you healthy, bro. Vegetables be lame, except for the weed in the beer hops. Yeah, I like the weed in the beer, man. Did someone say ED? What the hell is ED? Erectile dysfunction? Heart disease? Man, I don't know anything about that, but yo, anyways, I'm a gamer, man. I play video games. I need my meat. I'm like a gamer athlete. We're like athletes, gamers. I ain't no couch potato, bro. I like fries, though, from McD's. And I like my juicy steak. Eat it raw, and eat your dog like a hot dog? No, man, I love my dog. I ain't gonna eat it raw. I ain't gonna eat it raw. Get real, bro. Get real. Yeah, I like my stuff real. Real. No soy or almond milk for me, bro. I like the real deal. Huh? Drinking cow milk is like sucking from an udder? Not your mom, not your milk. Not your mom, not your milk. What? I want the natural stuff, bro. We always have done that, bro. We always have since the beginning of time, bro. I like the real cow milk. And cheese is good. Nacho cheese? Like nachos? Nacho cheese. Oh, nacho milk. Not your mom, not your milk. Ah, I get it. Nacho cheese. Haha, that's funny, bro. Milk is full of pus and will give you acne. Ooh, that's maybe why I was breaking out. Anyways, this isn't a glue-on beer, though. This is real. That's why I need the hormones from the milk. Anyways, I need it to be tough. Like I said, I need the milk to be tough. And the dairy, it's not scary, bro. Dairy is not scary. It makes you tough. Did you say that many athletes, bodybuilders, and Olympians are vegan? Nah, maybe one or two, but they're probably on roids. Tony Gonzalez, he was in the Hall of Fame. Arian Foster of the NFL. Kyrie Irving, the NBA MVP. Brady, Tom Brady is mostly vegan. Aaron Rodgers, one of the best quarterbacks. Colin Kaepernick, man, I don't know about that. I like my stuff natural. Factory farms? What the hell is a factory farm? I thought I knew it all, bro. They drug animals up? Nah, I like my drugs anyways. I take a lot of vitamins because I'm deficient, bro. They cage the animals? Yeah, who cares? They castrate them? What do they need their nuts for anyways? To beak them? Force breed them? You mean like they stick an arm condom in them? And force breed them on rape racks? Man, Birds grow twice the size in half the time from all the steroids? Not my problem. They have broken bones from all the weight? We are what we eat? So we are chicken shit? There's poop in our food? Are you kidding me? There's pooping on me? Anyways, man, I don't get it. Animal welfare? Animals, tell them to get a job if they're on welfare. Someone mentioned animal welfare? Tell them to get a job. They're lazy bums, man. Oh, you mean the other type of welfare, like how they're treated. Oh, I didn't know that. Factory farm subsidies? Oh, my meat is on welfare. We give them all these monies, tax dollars, or it would cost much more. I get it. Oh, so that's why McDonald's is so cheap, because we give them a bunch of our tax dollars. They're pale and weak. Anyways, I need my meat. I don't want to be pale and weak. Oh, Mike Tyson and Carl Lewis are vegan. Yeah. Anyways, man, I don't know about this vegetarian stuff. Eggs are cruel? It's just an egg. The guy said to me, battery cages. What's a battery cage? They batter them in a cage? Oh, and they throw the baby male chicks in the trash because they won't lay eggs and they don't make meat. I thought eggs were harmless, man. Because when I see on TV, they show a nice red barn and a family farm. And you're saying it's really a factory farm. Factory? That's not nice. But anyways, come on, man. There's nothing less to eat. I don't want no twigs. I don't want to eat no twigs. If there's no wings, chicken wings, I don't want to eat no twigs because I want my wings. Wings are for flying, not frying. Yeah, that's just a funny saying. Man, I don't want to just eat twigs. You saying the grocery store has thousands of vegan options? Thousands? Man, I only eat what my mommy brings home. I haven't been to a grocery store in years, and my mommy brings home the food. She does the shopping and cooking for me, so I don't even know that. Man, I go to McD's on my own, though, so I'm a big boy. But she brings home the food and does the dinner, man. Come on, dude. The animals are already dead. What does it matter? They're already dead. You might as well eat it. Did he just say supply and demand theory? What's supply and demand theory? The animals are already dead. The less you buy, the less they will raise, and the rest they will kill. Or the rest they'll force breed and raise and kill. Yeah, I don't know anything about that, bro. I still like my meats, man. Child molesters like molesting? What? I don't get it. I like my meat. But you're saying, well, it's the same excuse child molesters use? They like their meat? Come on, man. Give me that stuff. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it, bro. I like my meat. And that's my only real excuse. Anyways, I don't need an excuse. Anyways, by the way, animals are overpopulated. Yeah, that's it. Animals are overpopulated. There'll be too many animals. Oh, yeah, the rape racks and stuff. They force breed them with arm condoms. They just do that. Whatever. Plants feel pain, man. Come on. I worry about people problems. Like, I helped a lot of people. That's why I'm like, peace, man. I help the people. Bro, come on. Now you're saying just leave animals alone. That's all I gotta do. Nah, that's asking too much of me. Come on. The future is vegan. I'm a caveman. Come on, bro. I can't wear my fur coat now. Come on, man. Anyways, these immature trolls and these vegetarians, they don't understand me, bro, and my plight. So peace. Worry about people problems, bro. Peace.